steady pressure now. Just easing it through the last section of the seal.
That one is really seized up. Keep going, it's starting to move. This one's really stuck. There we go, finally.
And that's the final screw out. Make sure it's secure in the magnetic tray. Now we can gently pull the main harness connector.
"50 years on the road, and these covers haven't seen the light of day. Just look at that sludge.
Keep the coolant steady on that pass.
Looks good. Almost done with the first head.
We're using the specific tool to carefully slide the ring over the piston crown and seat it gently.
All right, hold it there. A little bit to the left, maybe an inch.
Got it. Looks aligned.
Perfect, that's it.
And now we connect the main harness to the distributor. You want to make sure you hear that click. Torque looks good on this side.
Same here. Let's lower it slightly.
Smooth and steady now. Follow the line precisely. And the clip secures right there. That's a perfect fit.
This is where the real work begins.
Getting down to the bare metal is crucial for a perfect finish.
How's that coming along?
Almost there, just a few more taps.
Perfection achieved. This Daytona yellow Z28 is ready to reclaim the road, reflecting excellence from every angle.
Okay, easy now. Watch the trim on your side.
Looks good. Applying pressure.
Perfect fit. Okay, easy now. Watch the rails.
Got it. Looks aligned on my side.
Perfect.
The timing is perfect now.
Yeah, she runs like a dream.
Listen to that snap. Securing the panel requires precision, ensuring every clip aligns perfectly.
All right, let's center it up.
It's seated. Go ahead with the impact.
And now for the coolant. Look at that perfect flow. Bringing out the true depth of this paint. Look at that reflection.
Watch as the microfiber lifts the dirt away, leaving a flawless finish on this beautiful Z28.
Reflect upon perfection. The Daytona yellow 1969 Camaro Z28.
The iconic 1969 Camaro Z28. Restored to perfection, it's